That's Malachi Kirk. That's
Owen Ripley.
And I'm Malachi Kirk.
and this is our game of scoop. That's what I'll shoot you.
Bro, I'm trying to film this.
Get the fuck out of the way, Cole.
I go second.
They're scooters, I don't care.
Did you pause it? It's supposed to pause it.
Oh, yeah,
I love
guy?
snow cone.
What's your trick, bruh?
I'll do start off really hard, a 180 tail whip.
Language! Fuck!
G turned half cab out. Oh boy.
Alright, my trick is a downside, front side full cab, 180 heel up.
Was that Bluetooth the shit? Sorry.
He's on. He on calls it. I'm ready, bro. It's on.
It unlocked.
I'll do a down heel and a half cab whip.
I'm just practically pro, it's alright.
Are you pro for razor?
Holy shit.
Yeah, I failed already.
Okay.
Is that PI? Yeah. I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna do the same thing. G turn 180. I suck. Just.
What was the trick? You turn 180.
What?
My trick is gonna be a 3 heel.
All right, I'll do a 180 bar and then a 5 cab.
Can I do it front side?
I strike out. I take a letter.
Alright.
Yay!
When I was your age, I didn't even have a phone.
I'm using my rebate. So I'm on PI, he's on nothing, and I'm gonna do 180 tuck now. Yeah, just half cut. 180 tuck now, half cut.
Bitch knows I can't do that.
It splashed him in his face. Yeah, got in my eye.
I'm not even trying it.
Gotta say it.
I'm not trying it. I'm gonna do a back decade.
Whoa! Shit. Alright.
The good thing was I almost fucking 180 down the street here.
Yeah, I'm on.
So
I'm out.
To get through the fish. Ready?
Dude, I invented it.
I'm out.
I used